Welcome to homework.
To construct the confidence interval for the population standard deviation, we can use the chi-square distribution. The formula for the confidence interval is the lower limit is the square root of the sample size minus 1 times the standard deviation of the sample squared over the chi-square upper limit. And the upper limit is the square root of 1 less than the sample size times the standard deviation squared over the chi-square lower value from the lower tail. Now, I would calculate the sample standard deviation from a calculator with a statistics package rather than calculating that by hand with 12 elements. I get that it comes out to 4 decimal places, 0.3462. And from here, you would need to look up the chi-square upper tail and the chi-square critical value from the lower tail. Since n is 12, the degrees of freedom is 1 less than that at 11. And at 95% alpha, our level of significance is 0.05. And so the chi-square upper is 21.92 and lower 3.8157. So our lower limit in this confidence interval would be 12 minus 1, which is 11, times the standard deviation squared over 21.92, and the upper limit 11 times 0.3462 squared over 3.8157. To the calculator. We get 0.2453 to 4 places for the lower, and for the upper 0.5878. To 3 decimal places, that would be 0.245 and 0.588. And then that would mean choice B, if repeated samples are taken, 95% of them will have the samples, the sample standard deviation. No, it would be choice C. There is 95% confidence that the population standard deviation is between these two values.